What's up, y'all? It's Zach Morgan. Today we're about another video. Today we're gonna be fixing this beauty up. Needs clutches in it. Battery needs charged up. Battery's dead. Needs antifreeze put in it. I got an oil change for it. No oil filter. Got a brand new MX-14 on it. But yeah, it's been a good 4 months since we've been on the hill climb. But we're about to make a return back at it as soon as the bike's fixed. But other than that, let's get to it. Alright, y'all. Got the oil plug out. Got the oil draining. Here's the old clutches. Burnt bad. And here's the new ones. Got them soaked in oil, ready to get put in. And sorry if some of it stopped up. I've been sick, but we're back at it, baby. Got the oil filter out. Here's the new one. Fresh new filter. Here's the old one. Ain't got no shavings on it, so we're good on that part. Alright, y'all, got the battery charging up. I put the clutches in and the oil. Let the battery charge up because it's been dead. It's been sitting for 4 months. But we'll let that charge up and yeah. Alright, y'all. KTM's officially ready to hill climb. We got new clutches in it, new oil change, antifreeze is topped off. Got the MX-14 tire on. Clutches is ready, Pro X brand. But other than that, new videos coming soon. I'll catch y'all next time. Other than that, Zach Morgan out.